Hello, friends, and welcome to Number Corner. We are going to start with our moon phases. So, we noticed yesterday on Sunday there was just a little bit of the moon left. Let's see. Tonight, there's even a smaller sliver, which we may or may not be able to see with all of this snow. So you need to get this chart out and you need to write in, today is Monday. Today is Monday and it is September 14th. September 14th. Monday, September 14th. I hope you had a great weekend. Let's look at our calendar grid. We have an idea of what our pattern is. So make your prediction. What do you think today is going to be? Is it going to be tally mark, popsicle sticks, dots on 10 frames? Which one? Go ahead and write your prediction right there. I'm not going to make a prediction today. I want you to make a prediction. All right, are you ready? Let's look. Oh my, let's make it bigger. Oh, let's look at that. Were you right? Were you correct? I have one group of 10 and 4 ones, and that does make the number 14. So let's go to our paper that's in the plastic, remember, so you can reuse it. You are going to write yours here, and I'm going to do mine on our bigger one. So today is September 14th, okay? And our model is 14 popsicle sticks, so a group of 10 and 4 ones. And we can say that we have 1 10 and 4 ones. And our equation is 10 plus 4 equals 14. I'll leave it right there. Remember, you are writing yours here while I am doing mine right here. Are you ready? Perfect. We're going to go on to days in school. So yesterday was 16. We need to mark one more X. Okay, and I want you to notice right here, below this bold line, this is a group of 5, right? So this colored in, oops, this colored in is 10. This is a group of 5. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so let's go and write our 17. So a 17 is 110 and 7 ones. So you can write that here, 17, 110, 7 ones. I'm going to do my best to write 17 with a mouse. While you write it also on your paper. And I know if you have a bigger whiteboard, it's a little challenge, but do your best. 17. Okay. And we've been doing 10 and some more, so wouldn't that be We have 10 and some more. What does that equal? Equals 17. How else can you show 17? Perfect. Hope you have that written. Let's go back. So next we need to collect nickels and pennies. We're starting a new collection this week. Let's see, last week we got 22 cents and I left that number up. Let's see what we have today. Ooh, 3 pennies. So I have some pennies here. 1, 2, 3. 3 pennies today. You guys are going to write 1, 2, 3. There you go. I wonder how many more we're going to get. All right, we're going to play a 10 and more game today. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm going to click over the equation. You point to the 10 frame, the 20 frame that it matches. Ooh, I have 10 plus 5. Which of these show 10 and 5? Oh, nice. Did you find it? Where is it? Oh, right here. Did you notice that there's 10 and 5 ones? There we go. We have a match. And move it down here. Let's see. Ooh, 10 and 3. Do you see a 10 frame that shows 10 and 3 more? Did you point to this one? 10 and 3 more is absolutely the same as 10 plus 3, which equals 13. Good job. We're getting good. Ooh, 10 and 8. 10 plus 8 equals 18. Do you see one with 10 and 8? Point to it. Oh, did you pick out this one right here? So smart you are. Good job. I have 10 and 8 more. And I can see that I could count back. I know 10 and 10 is 20. So if I take 2 away, I do have 18. Let's do another one. Ooh, 10 and 7. 10 plus 7 is 17. Do you see it? Point to it. Nice. Did you pick this one? Did you see that there's 10 and 7 dots more? Good job. Ooh. 10 and 4 equals 14. Which one? Nice job. One more. Ooh, 10 and 10. Uh-oh. Do we have one that's 10 and 10? We do not, do we? Let's move that over here. Let's try really one more. Ooh, 10 and 9 equals 19. Did you pick this one? Great job, friends. Have a great day.